Hello all, it's Paul Gillespie here from Toronto, Canada, and I want to show you guys how to make 10K in 30 days. All right, so that's some serious money we're talking about here. So I'm going to talk about digital marketing, exactly what I've done. Guys, I've made over $47,000 in 82 days today. I joined May 8th. I started my own digital marketing business May 8th. And like I said, I'm over $47,000. And I'm from Toronto, Canada, and we get paid in US funds. So just want to let you guys know that. So I'm going to give you the 5 things why I got involved in my own digital marketing. But what I want to say, guys, is digital marketing is the fastest growing online business for beginners. You don't need experience. You don't need any of this. You don't need experience or tech. Guys, I'm like this on the computer. I'm telling you, and I didn't know what digital marketing was. I knew what network marketing was and affiliate marketing, but I did not know what digital marketing was. So guys, this is a learn and earn system. So if you guys want to learn how to make really life-changing income at the comfort of your own home, only working 2 hours a day, this is the video for you. So if you haven't already, guys, if you can subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that. I always put out shorts every day and a few videos, at least 2 a week, most likely 3. So guys, I would really appreciate that. You know, if you can like and comment as well, because this is good content. We all need to learn how to, you know, even for the environmental thing, lower our footprint, right? We don't have to drive in our car, get caught in traffic, you know, all the fumes, all that stuff, guys. It's a win-win. You're going to make really good money from the comfort of your own home. All right. So guys, here we go. I'm going to tell you the 5 things that really got me, you know, going and why I got involved on May 8th. All right. So number one, guys, you get 100% of your profits. That's the thing. That's what I said, 100% profits. That means everything you sell, you make 100%. This is not network marketing. It's no upline or downline. I'm not downing network marketing. I'm just simply saying this is a different strategy of marketing. So like I said, guys, I was in Amway. I was in Amway before. You know, some of you guys know what Amway is. I was working those living rooms. I had a cousin that got me involved, and I'm telling you, he was the laziest guy. And I was working those living rooms. And you know what? I had to pay him a lot of my commissions. And I didn't like that because he was my upline. So there's no more of that, guys. You don't have that in digital marketing. So you get 100% profits, no upline, no downline. You do not share. So guys, I gotta tell you, from being in sales before, that got my attention. That really stopped my scroll while I was scrolling through. So there's number 1, guys, 100% profits. Yes and yes, you guys like 100% profits? I do. I know I do. So, and guys, number 2, which I really love this, 2 hours a day. You're working 2 hours a day only from home. You actually master the 2-hour workday, where those 2 hours are filled with income earning activities. That's the key. It's not watching a bunch of videos. It's creating content and branding your website and building your email list. But guys, 2 hours a day, imagine that. Imagine no more traffic, no more traveling, no more gas. Every month, guys, we pay $800 to $1,200 just in gas alone. I'm telling you, a month. I don't even need to know where you work. That's what the costs are now. That's just a privilege to build someone else's dream. Build your own dream and work from home. You know what I mean? So there you go, guys. That's number 2. So number 3, like I mentioned before, guys, you don't need tech experience. You don't need even a Facebook following or anything like that, guys. You don't need this. You can come in with very little, and you earn and learn. That's the cool thing, guys. You don't need the tech experience because the company sets up the your sales funnel, your email list, all that stuff. They do 90% of the work for you. The 10% you have to do is you have to actually get your domain name. You got to create your own business name. Then you got to add that to your button. So they can't do that, but they do everything they can That's the cool thing. So that's number 3, guys. So now number 4 is a rejection-free business, guys. You heard that. You are not directly selling to anybody. Guys, I told you I've made over $47,000 in 82 days, and I have not sold directly to anybody. My sales background did not help me in doing this. People think it would, it doesn't, because you're not directly selling. You're marketing. It's different. You're advertising. You're branding your website, not selling to people. People these days do not want to be sold. They want free content. They want to make their decision about you. They don't want to be pressured into sales. Those days are gone with the Wolves of Wall Street and stuff. People don't want that today. They want to come to the conclusion themselves. And as soon as you apply pressure, they're gone. So guys, it's a rejection-free business, not like Amway at all, where family members are running from you and you lose friends over it. That's not what happens here. So that's the really cool thing. So remember, rejection-free. And guys, number 5, this is the one that glues it all together, is that you have an automated system working 24/7 for you. It's an automated system that is set up by the company where it makes your sales. So you're not selling directly, but this automated system is the one that does the sales. So guys, I can tell you, I've made $47,000 in 82 days. 90% of that is the sales have been done by my automated system, which is the coolest thing. I don't have to go do the sales. It does. And guys, a lot of my sales come in the middle of the night. I look at my phone, imagine I have a cell phone and I get the message saying, "Oh, congratulations, you made a $900." Guys, before I just did this video, we had an $800 upgrade to a legacy builder. That's what I'm talking about. This is how it happens. And then once you start generating your content, it just keeps going and keeps going and keeps going. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. So this automated system is everything. It really glues all the other things I just talked about together, because what it does, guys, it allows you to have freedom because you have your automated system working for you 24/7. That's why you can work 2 hours a day. All you got to do is fuel that system with your posts and your content, and then that vehicle will make the sales for you. This is how the rich get wealthy and wealthier and wealthier, because they have automated systems working for them so they can maximize their time. Okay, this is what Warren Buffett and the guy from Amazon, I can't think of his name right now, but you know what I mean, guys. This is what these wealthy people do. So that's the key. So these are the 5 things that really got me going in digital marketing and got me really thinking outside the box, guys. So I don't have a 9 to 5. I am a digital marketer, and I added 4 income streams to my portfolio because there's 4 different programs, which is, I'm telling you, it's just blowing. They're so hot right now. They're like Hansel. They're so hot. Guys, 4 products that are pre-made for you. So I've made over $47,000 on these 4 products alone. Guys, digital marketing is a $1.2 billion a day industry, going to $3 billion by 2026. Digital marketing is the fastest growing industry out there. Forbes magazine just said it is the #1 paying job in 2024. So guys, this is an industry that's moving fast. You get 100% profits, no rejection. You work 2 hours a day, no tech needed or experience, and you have an automated system that's doing the work for you. It frees up your time. So think of this, guys. I joined May 8th. I got my own business. Since May 8th, I've worked 2 hours a day, and I've made like somebody's yearly, a high-paying person's yearly salary in less than 3 months. And on top of that, I got my time back, guys. I actually go spend time with my kids. I have 4 beautiful boys, 2 that are adults and 2 that are still young, like 14 and 12, that we homeschool. Guys, I get to see them grow up. I get to see my grandkids, all this stuff, guys. So I'm making more money than I ever have this quickly, and I get my time back. Does that not sound like I get my cake and eat it too? So that's what I'm saying for you guys. If I could do this, a simple guy from Toronto, Canada, you guys can do it. So if you want to learn more, I have my website in the comments there. So you can just hit my website. What you do is you put your email in and I email you the blueprint, but then you'll see 2 videos from Michelle O'Neill. She's the millionaire in the industry. I'm telling you guys, you're going to want to listen to her. She knows what she's talking about. So you put your email in and then you can purchase on the 4th page if you like, or just take a look at it, think about it. This way, guys, you get more information. So trust me, you're going to want to do this. You're not going to want to pass this up. So just simply go to the message and it'll have my website in there and I will gladly share the blueprint with you. So thank you for watching this video. And if you haven't already, just subscribe and put the notifications on. I always got videos coming out. So guys, like I always say, know your value.